How Tesla's phone will be a game changer. The Tesla Smart Model Pi is a smartphone that will change the cellular market, much like Tesla automobiles have dominated the automobile sector. When Elon Musk is the man behind Tesla's mobile, the smartphone industry's kings such as Apple, Huawei, and Samsung have reason to be concerned. Hey guys, hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll talk about how Elon Musk just revealed the Tesla phone. But first, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell to never miss another video from us. After all, building cell phones isn't rocket science, and Musk's SpaceX company builds rockets. The concept of the Tesla Model Pi is irresistible due to the ingenuity and tremendous wealth of tech talent. The phone's eye-catching design and powerful capabilities make it appealing. Extremely durable because it's forged by fire, the Tesla-designed smartphone is extremely resistant to impact. You won't have to worry about a broken screen if the phone slips from your grasp. Because it'll be unheard of, you can now afford to use the screen repair money to get a burger down the block. Features for seeing in the dark. Tesla phone Model Pi includes 4 cameras that use artificial intelligence to illuminate a completely dark environment. Similarly, it boasts a high-quality front-facing camera that's built into the screen. It's the ideal phone for taking selfies and posting them on social media platforms. The selfie snapped by the Tesla phone will be memorable. Internet access with high speed and security. The Tesla phone will be linked to Starlink, which offers satellite internet access. Download speeds of up to 210 megabits per second are possible with the Tesla smartphone. Users of the Tesla Model Pi will also be able to access 5G services while using the device. Charged by the sun, a clear and transparent solar panel is built into the phone's back. The technique will make good use of solar energy. Climate change and green energy supporters will swiftly abandon electricity-powered phones in favor of the solar-powered Tesla phone. You may now save the hassle of bringing your phone charger wherever you go. Even a soldier in the desert may rely on the sun to charge his Tesla phone, allowing him to communicate. Simply put, as long as the sun shines, your phone will be charged. Mars Coin. Everyone wants to make money, and making money with Mars Coin will be a thrilling experience. Musk is simply creating a new role that's rapidly becoming a reality. His determination to discover Mars is admirable. Who knows, maybe Mars Coin will become the currency of Elon Musk's Mars. Who wouldn't want to visit, shop, and possibly even live on Mars? It might all start with acquiring virtual reality by transacting with Mars Coin with the Tesla Model Pi phone. Brain-computer interaction. Tesla's smartphone will be able to communicate with the brain. Users will be able to enter commands into their phones simply by thinking about them, thanks to Neuralink technology. Information from people and phones will be transferred quickly. The Tesla Model Pi phone will be useful in facilitating communication with accident sufferers who can think but cannot speak. The doctor simply needs to access their Tesla phone and read the commands displayed on the phone's interface. It's fascinating to think about how a mobile phone will drastically alter the future of medical treatment. Only the Tesla Model Pi is capable of such a transformation. The automobile control unit, the Tesla Model Pi smartphone, will be used to control Tesla vehicles. The Tesla automobiles will be linked to the internet via the Tesla phone. For the greatest experience, use the Tesla phone to remotely control your Tesla car. Storage. Tesla's smartphone includes 2 TB of internal storage, allowing you to store all of the movies you download using the built-in Wi-Fi. In any case, why download when the phone is connected to Wi-Fi 24 hours a day, 7 days a week? Perhaps you have a reason. You may need to download it to avoid those pesky pop-up ads while watching your favorite show. Or perhaps the phone has adequate storage space to assist you store the high-definition photographs you'll shoot with high-quality lenses. The Tesla SIM card. It's unclear whether the Tesla Model Pi will support SIM cards. It's feasible that the futuristic phone will not require a SIM card to function. Musk stated that Tesla smartphone customers do not need to save contacts in their phones. Making phone calls to pals who would be relocating to Mars would be both exciting and awesome. To make a successful call to Mars, you'll most likely need to purchase a Tesla Model Pi phone. After all, Mars is Elon Musk's colony, and he has the authority to determine which smartphones can call his kingdom. The exterior and cover of the phone. The exterior of the Tesla's smartphone is believed to be made of metallic materials, giving it a metallic appearance. With such an exterior, the phone's security will be substantially enhanced. Musk will also incorporate technologies and apply a photochromic coating to the phone. In layman's words, the photochromic effect will allow the Tesla Model Pi to change color depending on its surroundings. Security. Nothing is more important than a smartphone security when using it. In this Internet of Things era, you cannot afford to compromise on phone security or IoT. If you put your phone security at risk, you risk losing your money, login credentials and personal data, and businesses risk losing secret product information to hackers. It would be inconvenient and embarrassing if a hacker gained access to your Facebook account and began publishing pornographic content. The Tesla Model Pi smartphone comes with cutting-edge security measures that ensure your privacy and security when browsing. The phone includes built-in encryption. After all, the phone will include built-in Wi-Fi, which considerably reduces the likelihood of being hacked when using shared Wi-Fi. Fast and secure Wi-Fi will be provided by Starlink, a Tesla subsidiary. Elon Musk is doing everything he can to ensure that the phone is only maintained by Tesla-related companies for optimal security. When utilizing standard smartphones, the end-to-end encryption capabilities will prevent anyone from spying on you. Due to the security feature, only the sender and receiver have access to the communication. That is, not even Tesla will be able to read your messages. You can be certain that your privacy will be kept strictly private with the Tesla Model Pi. We can only wait to see how the Global Positioning System, or GPS, on the phone works. Wait a minute, I'm sorry. It's GPS for all other cell phones, but Multi-Global Positioning System for all other Tesla Model Pis because they'll be used on Earth and Mars. Aren't those two globes? The science teacher at the next school will inform you that Earth and Mars are also planets. You won't have to worry about being hacked or tracked by the Tesla Model Pi. Tesla's Model Pi designer. We'd be remiss if we didn't acknowledge the phone's visual merits before delving into its cutting-edge functionality. DeRosa Antonio. He's the powerful phone's principal designer. His extensive experience in smartphone design has aided in the creation of a sleek Tesla prototype cell phone. The appearance of the phone is comparable to that of an iPhone. It's not a coincidence. Antonio De Rosa is well known for creating a number of Apple products in his ADR studio. The Tesla Model Pi is a game changer. With Elon Musk tasked with creating Tesla's smartphone by Apple's chief man, the battle between Tesla and Apple is set to heat up in the coming days. At this point, it's important to recall that Apple rejected the opportunity to buy Tesla back when the company was in its worst days. Tesla has run out of cash while producing its Model 3 electric automobile. Elon Musk claims that Tim Cook, the CEO of Apple, refused to meet with him and then claimed that he was unaware of such a meeting. What if Apple had purchased Tesla in 2016? The Tesla Model Pi is most likely the next iPhone. Musk is most likely on a vengeance mission by entering the cell phone sector. Tesla's Model Pi will undoubtedly give Apple a run for their money. The fight between Tesla and Apple appears to be getting more exciting as time passes. It's also rumored that Apple is working on a self-driving electric vehicle. The feud between the two tech titans will turn out to be a free movie that every tech enthusiast will want to watch. Because Tesla has seized Mars, Apple will have to explore Venus to make the competition more real. The Tesla Model Pi will be a game changer not only in the smartphone sector, but also in the electronics industry as a whole. The impact of Tesla's phone is not only game-changing, but mind-boggling. It's no secret that when Tesla makes a move, the entire globe takes notice. It'll be no different in the case of the Tesla Model Pi. The Tesla Model Pi is unquestionably a game changer in the smartphone market and beyond. And that's all we have for today. Thank you for stopping by to watch the video. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe to our channel so that you can watch more great videos like this in the future. Everyone, until next time.